Attention, attention, this is your sign to clean your fucking fridge. Here, I'll help you. We can do it together. Okay, we just got back from a long trip. Not super long, I guess. We were gone like 11 days, so we didn't have a lot of things left in the fridge, so I thought this is a good opportunity. Take everything out, take a peek, see if anything's expired, anything's growing, anything new, you know? And then position everything, make sure everything makes sense, make sure everything's not expired, and put the new stuff in. So I took everything out and found an exciting pizza sauce packet. And low-key, it was way dirtier than I thought it was. You could see like a couple of these little spills. I don't actually know when they happened, but they appeared and I was like, I will get to that. And then, a year went by. So here we are. I just wanted you to get up close and personal and see everything and just how gross it can get. And it really didn't look that dirty. So try it out for yourself. And then if you take those drawers out, what is this? Did I spill milk? Anyways, here's everything that was in the fridge, out of the fridge, plus some stuff from Costco that we got. I usually keep the athletic greens on the bottom, and you can see we have a lot, so I can kind of suspend that subscription for now. Great thing to learn. And then you're going to wipe down every single thing. All of the sides, take everything out, because then there's probably crummies hiding underneath the little shelf that it was sitting on. Just get down and dirty with it all. Take everything out of the sauce. Well, you probably keep sauces there. I don't know. It's where I keep my sauces. It's strictly sauce territory. But, it's got some dirtiness going on. And then find the things where you might have two of them and consolidate. I was going to try and put everything into the small one. Didn't think it would fit. Didn't want to keep both. Look at all of these jars that I was able to empty out. Some were expired and I just threw them out. Some we finished and consolidated. Put everything back together. Look how clean. Organized. Things are lined up. They are, with things that are similar to them. And I now know everything that I have or don't have. I've compiled a grocery list that, reflects our upcoming future. And I can get it and know that I'm not going to be getting things I already have or miss things that I need. Do it. Do it now if you haven't in a long time. I promise you will appreciate it.